Hi there, welcome back to the Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to start with the new programming language that is Python. We will discuss the introductory concepts of Python. Python is an open source programming language. This means we no need to pay any amount to use it, and also the source code is editable. The syntax of Python is simple and easy to understand. Compared with other programming languages, Python allows us to write less code for the same requirement. It is a powerful object-oriented, procedural programming language. It is platform-independent. Python programs written on one platform can be run on different platforms as well. It is an interpreted language. Extensive support libraries and large community base. In upcoming tutorial we will see how to install Python, IDE, Visual Studio Code, and also will write simple Python program. Thank you.